we are playing Arsenal again with my greatest friend to ever exist, Leo. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Little bird. Okay. We make way too many Stranger Things references, guys.
Don't question it, okay?
And we are here with Crackhead McGee Graham. Say hi.
Shut up.
Okay. Glad to see your enthusiasm.
Good luck out there. I believe in you.
Okay, I'm extremely laggy, just so you guys know. So I hope the video comes out
Me
good for
too.
you. Because I'm way better at
Good.
Arsenal than this. Okay. Now, this is one of the oldest games I've ever played. This is the game that started my channel. Yeah,
Yeah.
shut up, Graham. Nobody asked you to talk. Anyway.
Anyways.
Anyways, terms and conditions apply. Okay. Go check out
I'm in the
Leo's
lead right now.
channel.
Hush puppy, hush puppy. To destroy the hush puppy.
Okay, here guys. So, as you know, you can make custom matches in Arsenal private servers. So, I want you to leave in the comments below what your least favorite gun is. Only one. And I'll pick everybody's comments and I'll put that in a custom match.
For me to kill you.
And yeah, I'll put it in a custom match and we'll have to play with those guns next episode. So that should be fun.
Yay.
Hey. Just warning you guys, if you guys don't like me being in the videos, you're gonna have to get used to it. I'm gonna be in every single one of his videos. Trust me, I've been in every single one of his videos technically.
Yeah, he was in the video that started my channel, so.
Ass. What?
Okay, we have a problem. I can't get any kills because this is so laggy. I get 69 damage.
At least you got one kill since I helped you.
Thank you.
Need change from pistols only.
Yeah, pistols only sucks.
Oh my god.
As you
even
guys
though I'm
probably know,
winning
I
so
like a
bad
really
right
cool
now.
mode called Headshots Only that all of my friends hate.
Especially me.
Graham, you ain't getting that.
I guess I'm the nerd who
He
likes
really likes
science
to
and
troll me
nobody
with
else
that.
does.
We already knew you were annoyed.
Go subscribe to Leo, though. He is great.
Go subscribe to my
I haven't been
channel.
uploading in a long time because I'm busy with school.
What? What is happening?
And no, I'm not actual school, but summer school.
Headshot. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn my voice changer off.
My least favorite gun is
Graham, I told you to shut up during this video, little bird.
You need to get used to it.
It was an accent sucks. I almost can't even
Did
say
you
that.
just tell me my
Okay.
Russian accent sucks?
Yep. Cause it does.
You did not just say that, Graham. I'm gonna kill you every single time now.
Okay, guys. I'm totally not this bad at Arsenal. It's the lag. You can look at my ping. It's 148.
And also, since I'm so good, I've been stealing every single one of his kills.
What the hell?
Hi, Graham.
Okay, we are changing this. This is bullshit.
No, you're bullshit.
Bro, Graham is getting destroyed right now.
Very high degree, little
I'll end the
bird.
game. Let me beat Graham horribly, okay?
I'll do
I'm at the golden gun right now. I'm at the golden gun right now, okay?
Let's do. We'll do
Easy.
round of
Easy
legacy
wins.
competitive. One of my favorite modes.
Fine.
Actually. Do
After,
free for all.
let's just to show what it's gonna look like when they leave their least favorite guns. Let's do a custom match with just Hush Puppy.
Yeah, we can do that later. Let's change subject, please.
That was too much pain.
Alright,
Perfect. I'm at level 69 right now.
this is actually the location where the
I
second
can
ever...
guarantee that you're gonna win this game if you use star code Bandites.
Shut the hell up, bandits. This was actually the first spot that... You're hacking. This is actually the first spot that I did, the... Made our headshot with Barrett part 2. I'm sure my 18 subscribers will love that.
Oh!
You just get killed by Graham?
Yeah, you got headshotted by me
That's
midair.
sad.
Which
Yeah,
one's
you need to
worse?
quit aimbotting.
Ooh.
Point that I'm still beating you guys, even though you guys still have 2 teammates.
You won't be
Oh
beating
my
me for
God.
long, little bird.
Where is he? Huh? Oh, I figured out where he was.
Okay, guys, I think I may quit this game. I'm fucking raging!
Wheezing! No! Oh, I got like a headset.
Bro, J has the biggest voice crack ever.
What's wrong with this lag? I wish there was like a video recorder out there that didn't lag every 13 seconds. Okay. Ah!
Second. My mom's calling me. Don't kill me.
Okay. Well, guys, remember to leave your least favorite and your favorite guns. We're gonna do that. We'll do your least favorite and your favorite guns. Leave those in the comments.
Please.
While Leo's AFK, I'll do a little dance for you guys.
I swear to God, if one of you... Okay.
Oh, wait,
Scared
he's
me.
done. Oh, God.
Oh wait, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of
Why
them.
did I grab my nose?
If you guys can see how laggy this is, you know how much pain there is.
Oh! Oh my God, bro.
Oh my God, bro. Oh.
Graham likes moaning.
Trust me,
Ooh,
he
right in
really
the
does.
dome.
Ooh, right in the dog.
We can do a 1v1 if you guys like. I can kick Graham. It's okay.
No.
It's true. Oh my God, I'm telling you, Andrew's gonna like just third party.
I'll start making Minecraft videos. I'll start making Islands videos. That's what I should have done when I started playing Islands. I'll start making videos of all the dumb games I have on my computer.
I saw you. Overloving.
Such as, you know, sexual harassment simulator. Anyway.
Oh, I don't think that's a cool game that you should make videos about. No, my
Yeah, I
duck
think
just got lower. I couldn't
Roblox
see
would
crap.
demonetize me. Maybe they'd give me a copyright claim. Dun dun dun.
Wait. Oh my God, thank you, Graham. What? Oh my God.
I
That's what
swear
I
I've
say.
hit you 3 times.
Bro, you're just feeding me kills. Dang.
My ping's going in between like 8. No, my FPS is going between like 8 and like 104.
Bro, y'all are kind of getting destroyed right now. Well, I'll tell you guys that. Like, you guys are getting, like, destroyed. Look how much kills I have. And then look at you guys.
But you're also
Oh,
a little bird.
bird.
I would be winning this match right now if it weren't for stupid game lag.
or Graham, who's been just feeding me kills.
I
my
swear
God.
to God.
Wait, what? Wait a damn second. Don't kill me, don't kill. Okay, is it loading in?
We're
Hello?
gonna take a ride
Wait,
out on
I
a
need to check
toy
something.
train.
I
Yeehaw!
need to check my. Oh my God! Come. Is my computer charging, guys? I might be disconnected, but because like my for some reason my computer isn't charging.
Huh.
So I literally only have 1 minute to fix it.
Fly, little bird, fly.
Yes! No!
Sometimes you gotta hang it off the backside. Do not, that's what she said me. Don't do it.
That's what she said.
Graham, I'm gonna backhand you. I'm just gonna, go ahead and do that. Okay.
Let's get this bread. No, but really, this bread's actually pretty good.
Point and click. It's that easy. It's that easy. Oh no. And there he goes. Well,
There he is.
Leo's gone, so guess we're just me and chicken.
It's not a chicken.
My ping is like 4,000. Ding these nuts.
Let's go. I'm so gonna.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys are getting some great content out of this. Because this sucks.
If I had a YouTube channel, then I would be getting more comments because I have more kills than you.
Wow, you would be getting more comments because you have more kills. No one else. Yeah, if your mom let you have a YouTube channel. Oh! I forgot there's no one to laugh at my jokes. Crap. Now it's awkward.
No, you're awkward.
That's what I just said, dipshit. Anyway.
That's why I just killed you, dipshit.
Okay, little bird, little bird, little bird.
No, but I have this gun. Why do I have this gun?
Okay, guys. Graham will stand next to me and not kill me, and we're gonna do an ending to this video. Graham, if you kill me, I'm kicking you. Come over here, Graham.
What are we doing?
We're making an ending to the video, like I said.
What the hell are you? Oh,
Right here. We gotta do a dance. Take your knife out. Okay, stand right next to me. Stand right next to me. Over there. And we're gonna do a dance. 3, 2,
wait.
1, go. Alright, guys. This is the end of this video. This crappy video. While Graham figures out how to do a dance. Okay, we're good. And, make sure to subscribe. And
Oh my.
motherfucker!